Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. We are working on putting these wheels back on this John Deere L130. Got a spindle here. It's got to slide back up inside here and then reattach the steering arms right here. You can see that. We're gonna see. I might need to jack this up. This line. We need too much. Just a little bit more. Okay. Get that up in place. Now we'll lower this again. That will at least hold it in place. We have like a C clip or an E clip, some kind of clip. Just gotta figure out where that went. Everything tipped over one of these last videos. So perfect. Here's the dust cover. See if it's on this mess. I believe so. I thought it was inside here. So it's pretty large. I don't know if you can see that. There's a big washer and a clip. I gotta find those. I think they might be sitting on the deck somewhere. See if they're over here. Not right there. Well, wonderful. What do I do with it? Wonder if it fell off underneath. Alright, I'm not seeing that washer or that clip. So we're gonna go ahead and reassemble this steering arm. Not sure how much of this you can see. Got this steering arm down here. Just gotta loosen up this nut. It's got a ball joint style up here. Get that in place. Tighten that up. That's where we're going to stop for today. Although we're not done, we're 5 minutes closer to a completed project. Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic.